Now, India has given emergency approvals to US pharmaceutical giant Moderna's COVID vaccine. So how effective is Moderna's COVID vaccine? From when is it going to be available in India? How different is it from the other vaccines? All queries addressed by India Today's Sneha Murdani. Let's take a look.
Covishield, Covaxin, Sputnik V and now Moderna. All of these vaccines have been added to the list of COVID vaccines that are going to be used in India against COVID-19. These are 4 vaccines that are our weapons against COVID-19. Well, in the fight against coronavirus, the Indian government has permitted emergency use authorization to Moderna, which is a vaccine that has been developed by US-based pharmaceutical company. With approximately 94.1% efficacy, Moderna is going to be the 4th jab to be approved in India. According to Government Health Panel, Moderna is going to be available in Indian markets in just few weeks from now and will be administered in 2 doses. The US drug maker has also agreed to donate few doses of this vaccine to India. Cipla is going to be supporting Moderna with regulatory approvals, and there is no agreement just yet on commercial supplies at this stage. Currently, Moderna is authorized in countries like United States, Canada, the European Union, the United Kingdom, Israel and Singapore. So how does this vaccine really work? Moderna's working relies on the messenger RNA platform, which is a genetic material that our cells read to make proteins. After being injected into the body, Moderna releases messenger RNA or mRNA. The cell's molecules read the sequence and build spike proteins. These spike proteins in turn build spikes that move to the surface of cells and protrude out their tips. The immune system recognizes these protruding spikes and the fragments generated by vaccinated cells by breaking up the proteins. The mRNA, which was released by the vaccine, is eventually destroyed by the cells of the body. When immune cells known as B cells collide with the spikes on the protein fragments, some of them lock onto these spike proteins. All they need now is activation by helper T cells, after which they start generating antibodies that target the spike protein. You may ask if Moderna is effective against Delta variant or the Delta Plus variant, given the fact that the Delta variant right now is wreaking havoc in more than 85 countries outside of India. Well, in a clinical update, the company found that the vaccine shows promising results against the Delta variant, which was first sequenced in India. Its efficacy against Delta Plus, which is a lineage of the Delta variant,